Hi, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be showing you how to measure a wooden wick. It's important to know how to measure your wick so that you can properly confirm the appropriate size for your candle. This is especially helpful when burn testing using the Wooden Wick Co. Wick Sample Kit to help you differentiate between the different sizes of wicks available. There are two tools that you can use to measure your wooden wicks: calipers or a ruler. Today we will be showing you how to use digital calipers because they're the best option for measuring all angles of wooden wicks and have the highest level of accuracy. First, you will want to use the calipers to measure the thickness of the wick. Turn on your calipers and reset to 0 while they are fully closed. To measure the thickness of the wick, gently insert the wick into the calipers and take a look at the reading, 0.040. When measuring your wicks, keep in mind that there is a tolerance of plus or minus 0.005 inches in thickness with all wicks. Slight variation in thickness is normal and does not affect burn performance. If you are measuring a booster wick, we suggest measuring the base wick to check the thickness of the wick. All booster wicks have a booster strip down the center of the wick that is 0.02 inches thick. Next, to measure the width, hold your wick horizontally in one hand and then use your calipers to measure left to right the width of the wick, 0.625 inches. All wicks in the Wick Sample Kit are at 5-inch length. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Purchase a Wick Sample Kit and get started using wooden wicks. What's the most common type and width of wick that you use in your candle making? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Maker's Moments. Happy making!